Welcome to our Who's the Most Important People in Electric Vehicles Today series of 12 shorts that quickly explain the real power players in EVs. If you want to know about all 12, well, just click the link in the top right hand corner. If not, watch this short. And number 4 in our most influential electric vehicle people for the year 2021 is Giovanni Palazzo. He's the CEO of Electrify America and also Electrify Canada. Previously working for Mercedes-Benz in various EV positions, he was the head of Volkswagen's e-mobility strategy. VW appointed him CEO of Electrify America in 2017. Electrify America is actually a subsidiary of Volkswagen that installs chargers in the United States, and that all came about as part of the US Government's EPA settlement with VW over its 2016 diesel emissions scandal. So why does a guy who works for VW under the thumb of the US government make the top 10 most influential people in electric vehicles list? Because he's required to spend at least $2 billion on chargers as part of that VW settlement. Under Mr. Palazzo's leadership, Electrify America has settled the charger debate by selecting the CCS, or Combined Charging System Plug standard, for its primary fast charger. It also installs old-school CHAdeMO chargers, which are likely to get changed to Tesla plugs within the next few years as CHAdeMO fades away. He also decided to build a few solar-canopied stations that charge a battery energy storage system, or BESS, on site. The battery energy storage systems store power when electricity costs are low and supplement power during high points of consumption, minimizing the impact on the electrical grid. The company expects to have more than 125 fully operational BESS installations by the end of 2021. Mr. Palazzo is also the CEO of Electrify Canada, which was founded in May 2018 to install similar CCS and CHAdeMO chargers across Canada, primarily at the Canadian Tire location. So if you are in Canada and you hit a Canadian Tire and you see that charger, that's Electrify Canada. Notably, Electrify Canada was not part of the Canadian government settlement with VW. It was just a simple strategic decision to help sell electric vehicles. He is also the chairman of VELOZ, which is a very well-connected EV lobby group. We'd like to interject for just 10 seconds to ask you to click like if this is the kind of thing that you like. It really helps us with the Google algorithm. And if you're interested in electric vehicles, the energy industry, high technology, things like that, please click subscribe, because that's the kind of thing we talk about. Thanks.